Everybody, today is Thanksgiving morning of 2008,
Hi.
November 27th.
Hello.
We are at Payman's house. This is the little one. We call her Emma. She has the hiccups.
Almost 8 weeks old.
Almost 8 weeks old. Here's Daddy Payman.
Oh.
Here's my dad. We're actually doing a T-top conversion on a hardtop Trans Am.
In a Fairmounts carport.
In a Fairmounts carport. Rental property.
Oh, the sun came out. That's nice.
Emma, would you like to say anything for the viewers?
Well, what I was thinking was, why don't they have carports that are big enough for semi-trucks? So we can have a T-top put in one of those.
18-wheelers?
Yeah.
Honk, honk. We'll have to check back in a little bit then, Emma.
Did you get that smile?
I sure did.
Way to go.
Ta-ta. Ta-ta.
I'm awake.